Have you been wondering how to use lemongrass essential oil? In this video, you'll be surprised to find so many uses for this incredible oil. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find both of those links. Grown by family farmers in southern India, lemongrass produces a smoky, citrus essential oil that has many benefits to the user. For years, it has been used in Asian cuisine for soups, teas, curries, and seafood. However, the uses for lemongrass essential oil extend far beyond the kitchen. It is a favorite for massage. It has clarifying and toning properties when applied to the skin, and it promotes a positive outlook when diffused. Whether applied topically, used aromatically, or internally, the uses and benefits of lemongrass essential oil are numerous. Now, what would one use lemongrass essential oil for? Well, various studies have shown that taking lemongrass internally can help sustain healthy levels of triglycerides in the body. Lemongrass can also promote digestive health, so add it to some hot tea for some amazing stomach calming effects. Lemongrass acts as a tonic to the nervous system and can boost nervous system health. It does that by strengthening the nerves in the body and stimulating them. Lemongrass can also help relieve head tension. Who knew? It is also a great detoxer. It can help detox the liver, digestive tract, bladder, kidneys, and pancreas. Now, deodorants are important, right? But most of the ones we see on our grocery shelves have lots of toxic ingredients. Did you know that lemongrass is a natural deodorant? Just mix with a little carrier oil and water and voila! It can also boost your immunity and keep your skin and hair healthy. What? These are just a few of the ways you can use lemongrass essential oil: topically, aromatically, and internally. It is just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. If you're looking for essential oil education, you are definitely in the right spot. Thanks for watching. Bye.